and welcome to Routinehub Tutorials. Today we'll be taking a look at a shortcut by T. Wilson Co. named Photo Collage. This shortcut lets you create stunning photo collages with different layouts and styles, way beyond the usual grid, horizontal or vertical options. And the best part is you don't need any extra tools or apps for this. It's all handled within the shortcut. To use this shortcut, you need the Shortcuts app. Be sure to enable untrusted shortcuts and iOS 16.2 or later. You can get the shortcut from the link in this video on routinehub.co. Upon downloading, you'd be redirected to the Shortcuts page, where you can opt for Add Shortcut to add this to your Shortcuts gallery. After running the shortcut by clicking on the tile Photo Collage, you can select the photos that you want to use for the collage. You can select as many photos as you want, but keep in mind that the more photos you use, the longer it will take to create the collage. Keep in mind that the least number of photos you must select is, by default, set to 3. During the scope of this tutorial, I'd be using 5 of these beautiful cartoon creatures. After clicking Add, you can choose any of the 8 options for the collage, such as 1. Collage type. You can choose between nested 1, nested 2, simple by rows, or simple by columns. The nested options allow you to create more dynamic and varied collages with different sizes and shapes of photos. You can also go back to the previous menu if you want to change the photos. 2. Input order. You can choose how to order the photos in the collage. You can use the input order, which is the order that you selected the photos. You can also shuffle the photos randomly or sort them by oldest or newest first. You can also go back to the previous menu if you want to change the collage type. 3. Image spacing. You can choose how much space you want between the photos in the collage. You can enter any number of pixels from 0 to 100. The higher the number, the more space between the photos. 4. Round image corners. You can choose how much you want to round the corners of the photos in the collage. You can enter any percentage from 0% to 100%. The higher the percentage, the more rounded the corners. As for me, I went for the rounding percentage 10%, as I have a knack to work with slightly curved edges. However, keep in mind that rounding eats the image from borders, so be careful while performing this operation on images containing crucial information at edges, such as CCTV footages. 5. Round collage corners. You can choose how much you want to round the corners of the collage itself. You can enter any percentage from 0% to 100%. The higher the percentage, the more rounded the corners. 0% entails a sharp edge. 6. Target aspect ratio. You can choose the aspect ratio of the collage, which is the ratio of the width to the height. You can enter any number from 0.1 to 10. The higher the number, the wider the collage. The lower the number, the taller or narrower the collage. 7. Collage max width, height. You can choose the maximum width or height of the collage in pixels. The default value is 5,000 pixels. But you can change it to any number between 100 and 9,000 pixels. The lower the number, the smaller the collage. The higher the number, the larger the collage. 8. Pre-process images. You can choose to pre-process the images before creating the collage. This will create downscaled copies of the images in a new photo album, which will make the collage faster and use less memory. The original photos will remain the same. They won't be meddled with. You can enter the maximum longest edge length of the images in pixels. The lower the number, the more photos you can use for the collage. The higher the number, the better the quality of the collage. By default, the value is set to 1500 pixels. The downsampled images now get saved to a new album titled something like Pre-Processed X Images, Date, Time. As the images are now revised, you'd have to run the shortcut again on this new album, the new set of images. Downsampling financial or medical images is not advised. However, if you belong to a set of people who just want the process to be done with and did not go for the pre-processing part, you can now tap on Continue to create the collage. The shortcut will process the photos and create the collage according to your choices. The result will be a single image that you can preview on the screen. You can visibly see the operations performed, rounded edges, pre-processing, nested collage, etc. Well, we're almost there. Just hold on for a while. Now you'd be prompted to choose what to do with the collage, such as save and quit. You can save the collage to your photo album and quit the shortcut. The shortcut will ask you to allow it to save the collage to your photo album. You can tap on OK to confirm or cancel to abort. Save and restart with new options. You can save the collage to your photo album and restart the shortcut with the same photos, but with new options. The shortcut will ask you to allow it to save the collage to your photo album. You can tap on OK to confirm or cancel to abort. Then you can choose the new options for the collage as before. Discard and restart with new options. You can discard the collage and restart the shortcut with the same photos but with new options. The shortcut will ask you to confirm that you want to discard the collage. You can tap on OK to confirm or cancel to abort. Then you can choose the new options for the collage as before. Quit without saving. You can quit the shortcut without saving the collage. The last prompt that the shortcut will ask you is to allow it to connect to the main server routinehub.co. This is necessary for the shortcut to check for updates and download the latest version if available. You can choose one of the following options. Don't allow. You can deny the shortcut from connecting to routinehub.co. The shortcut will not check for updates and will run with the current version. Allow once. You can allow the shortcut to connect to routinehub.co only once. The shortcut will check for updates and download the latest version if available, but it will not do so again unless you allow it to again. Always allow. You can allow the shortcut to connect to routinehub.co always. The shortcut will check for updates and download the latest version if available every time you run it. The Photo Collage shortcut is an amazing tool for creating stunning photo collages with different layouts and styles on your iPhone. You can create collages that are way beyond the usual grid, horizontal or vertical options and customize them with different options and settings. You can use the collages for any purpose, such as wallpapers, posters, cards or social media posts. Thanks for joining us today for this shortcut tutorial. I hope you find as much use in it as I have today. Be sure to stay up to date with the latest shortcuts being uploaded and updated all on routinehub.co. And if you want to learn how to make your own shortcuts, visit Routinehub Academy today, linked in the description. Chris, the owner of Routinehub, will teach you the essential shortcut basics in our beginner's course. See you next time.